What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Homes We Love. I'm your host Sulfani Aneza, and today we're in the heart of Marylebone, about to tour a beautiful, stunning, luxurious penthouse apartment with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4 reception rooms. It's on the market for £11.865 million with Fine and Country. I'd love to thank them as well as the amazing owners for allowing us to tour it today. Let's get started. Western Gate is a new development by Berkeley Homes situated between the prestigious neighbourhoods of Marylebone, Little Venice and Paddington. The penthouse we'll be touring today is at the pinnacle of the Westmark Tower with approximately 4,700 square feet of fine craftsmanship, carefully curated finishes and beautiful materials of the highest quality that is sure to elevate your lifestyle. So in here we have your 24-hour concierge offering a friendly and secure service to all the residents in the building. It's so grand and luxurious. There's a dining room through here, a lounge in there where your guests can sit and wait for you in case they've missed you. I can't wait to show you the penthouse. Let's head to the 29th floor. Come on. So as you enter the penthouse, you're greeted by this grand entrance hall. We have a stunning chandelier at the top with recessed lights in the base plate, tray ceilings, 2 antique mirrors floor to ceiling on both sides. It gives you this sense of opulence and elegance that you should expect throughout the penthouse. I want to start the tour in the open plan reception room. We walk through these beautiful double doors and the first thing that grabs your eye is this beautiful, amazing view of London, but we'll come back to that in a second. It's an amazing space, perfect for entertainment. We have this beautiful chandelier right in the middle of the room, the centerpiece of the space. It's so stunning and unique. It looks like icicles hanging from a tree branch, just beautiful. Of course, we have enough space on this side for a console table, and on this side we have these amazing spectacular views of London. They stretch all the way across London. You can see all of Hyde Park, you can see all the way up to the London Eye and beyond. So this whole penthouse is actually a semicircle, which means that you get no neighbours overlooking you. And of course, because it's a semicircle, you get panoramic views of London from every room in the penthouse. Over here, we've got another chandelier, built-in bookshelves with LED lighting and a soft silk-like backdrop just back here. And of course, we've got storage at the bottom. And on this side, we've got one of 3 terraces, just overlooking London, really nice and private and well decorated. I want to head through to the dining room, but we have a bar area just here, perfect space for entertaining again. But let's head through to the dining room this way. So in here we have a beautiful, elegant, stunning space that's so perfect for entertaining. If you love dinner parties, this one is for you. Of course, the first thing you notice is another unique, beautiful chandelier. I love how the brass in the chandelier beautifully complements the brass we have in the inlays of this really beautiful dining table. Wood, of course, and of course these gold accents come up throughout the penthouse as well. I love the wallpaper selection throughout here. There's 3 points of access to the room, one from the living room, one from the hallway and one into the kitchen. There's 2 spaces here for your sideboards and a lovely seating area here. And of course, we've got more views because we get views from every room in the apartment. Now, the weather has changed since we started filming. The wall on this side starts to curve around the structure of the building and beautifully leads us into the kitchen. Beautiful, state-of-the-art modern kitchen, so stunning, with a dining area just here, a breakfast bar on the island with a waterfall edge, and the plug sockets are built into the island for your convenience. And on this side of the island, we have one of 2 dishwashers. This is how you know this whole place was built for someone who loves to entertain, because the other dishwasher is just here. Both are Miele. We have a sink, one of 2 again, with a cooker tap so you don't have to boil a kettle if you want a cup of tea. We have a temperature controlled wine fridge just here and 3 beautiful pendant lights just above the breakfast bar. Over here we have a full-length fridge and freezer, beautifully staged. I really love that. We have composite stone on the worktops, really nice, beautifully integrated LED light strip at the top. I really love how everything complements each other, because these tones that you see on the cabinetry really nicely come out in the composite work stone, so I really love that. And the mount sink, of course, with an integrated drain design for your dishes. We have a Gaggenau induction hob. The extractor fan is built in at the top here, of course. And I know you might be wondering, where's the cutlery drawer? Well, it's behind here, beautifully hidden so that we can have uniformity throughout the kitchen. We have glass just here. And then we have 3 Gaggenau ovens just here. Like I said, built for entertaining. That's it from that side. And then on this side, of course, we have 1 of 3 balconies. We've seen one already, but this is the second one. All 3 balconies taking a different view of London. Look how amazing that view is. So this balcony has 3 points of access, 1 straight into the kitchen, 1 into the hallway, and another one into the study. Let's head there next. We have a beautiful modern study, really massive. This could actually be another reception room if that's what you want. This is the perfect place to host meetings for your clients because we have this nice seating area just here. Of course, we have another beautiful light fixture at the top, and we have this massive screen which is perfect for video calls, and you get these beautiful views of London again, and I believe that's Regents Park. At the back here, we have built-in bookshelves with LED lighting and a leather backdrop here. So stunning, like the rest of the apartment. Let's head through. So I want to head into the sleeping quarters through that door there, but we have a WC through there. A cloakroom through here, if I quickly show you. Of course, the lighting is on the sensor, and then we have more storage through here and through there. This space is perfect for entertaining. That's why we have that much storage right near the door. So if you have a massive party, it's just perfect. And the sleeping quarters are through here. I want to start in the principal bedroom. A few things to note from this space in this corridor. Great artwork. We actually have more storage through these cupboards, more storage through there, and another one just here. We have a door that gives us access to the penthouse straight from outside, and we have 2 more guest rooms in here, 4 bedrooms in total. So we have a beautiful layout with a closet, ensuite, and the main bedroom is through here. Of course, the first thing you notice is this stunning crystal chandelier with a dark base that contrasts it away from the tray ceilings. We have recessed lights and LED lights at the top, offering soft lighting and setting the mood. And of course, at the back here, we have a feature wall with a mixture of suede and satin and a mirror and brass inlay separating the two. And we have the plug sockets built right into the headboard for your convenience, so you don't have to get up to switch off the lights if you need to. The room is massive. There's enough space here for a seating area and a dressing table. On this side, we have this beautiful balcony that allows you to get these amazing views of London. Come out here and take a look. We have a beautiful light clad on the wall, and it nicely matches what we have on the ceiling. Look at the seating area they've got here. We also have recessed lights in the floor just there, so this place is going to light up beautifully at night. I want to go and have a look at the principal bathroom. This way, come on, let's go. We have cupboards on the right here, and we have the ensuite through here. LED lights and spotlights come on automatically as you enter. We have a beautiful floating vanity with loads of storage, so you know you're never going to have to leave things lying around. I love the touch of gold on the handles as well. Dual sinks, so it's perfect for a couple, and storage along the top. Beautiful tiling on the backdrop that nicely matches the tiling we have on this side, on a beautiful feature wall with 2 tinted mirrors and LED lights that draw your eyes straight to this freestanding tub. It's so massive, really unusual. I love the oval shape, and you have a headrest here where you can sit back, relax in the bubbles and enjoy some TV. We have marble all throughout, and these tiles are actually massive. Notice how big they are. So it took a lot of time to install them, but I think they look really good. And we have a walk-in shower on this side, massive. a rain head shower at the top and a handheld shower as well. I love the drain design they've got in here. This property is beautifully staged, but that's it from the principal bathroom. And finally, from the principal suite, we have a large walk-in closet with floor-to-ceiling mirrors, enough space for him and her. And as you can see, there's enough space here for your shoes, bags, or whatever else you'd like to add. Let's head through to bedroom number 2. Of course, beautiful views of London. I love the wallpaper selection. We have a subtle wallpaper on that side and this bold wallpaper on the backdrop as well, with a touch of gold, just like the rest of the apartment. I really love that the headboard is floor to ceiling, of course with a brass inlay as well. Built-in wardrobes, floor to ceiling mirrors. I want to take a look at the shower, which is through here. The bathroom, of course, we have a walk-in shower, no door, rain head shower at the top, shampoo niche with a recessed light, handheld shower. I really love the touch of gold between the tiles as well. Floating vanity, really beautiful, very sleek. I love the rounded edge as well, really stunning. And we've got a floor to ceiling mirror on this side. Beautiful big marble tiles, again, difficult to install, but I think they work really well. And I love that we've got a silky finish just there and a matte finish on the floor. Really nice. Let's head through to bedroom number 3. Back down the sleeping quarters. Through here. Stunning room. I love the wallpaper choice. Every room has a uniqueness to it. Built-in wardrobes, again, floor to ceiling mirrors, really nice. Headboard, so stunning. I really love it. Statement piece. It really draws your eye. And of course, the views of London, so beautiful. If I quickly show you here, so nicely staged as well. And I love that we have a dressing mirror on this side, really, really nice. And then we have a similar style or spec to the rest of the bathrooms. We've got a shower on this side, a bathtub on this side, really nice. Rain head shower on both, handheld shower too, and we have a shampoo niche as well. Everything is finished to such a high standard. Really love it. Let's head through to bedroom number 4 now. This way. So stunning. Again, I really love that we have this little seating area here. You can sit down, read a book, admire the views of London. Floor to ceiling mirrors and built-in wardrobes as well. And then really nice large headboard. I really love the way they are building these switches for the lights right into the headboard. Beautifully decorated. I love this bench right here. It's so unique. And then through here we have another ensuite. All the bedrooms have ensuites. Finished to a great standard, very similar to another one we've just seen, but I really, really love it. So that's it from the penthouse. I hope you're excited to see what else the building has to offer. Let's head down to the facilities. Come on. So we have a beautiful residence cinema room, massive. You can host a screening party in here. You just have to book it out before you do, but otherwise it's so stunning, perfect for entertaining. But yeah, let's move on to the spa. So we just came from the cinema. In here we have the reception area for the gym, which is through there, but it's currently in use. We don't want to disturb the residents. It's a beautiful state-of-the-art gym. This is where you'd wait if you don't want to go in yet. There's a bar area and a reception area, and the spa is downstairs this way. Come on. So here we have your private spa with a sauna in here, a steam room in here, both really nice sizes and beautifully lit. On this side we have a jacuzzi style pool. Unfortunately it's not working, so we can't demonstrate for you today. The main event is this beautiful state-of-the-art 17-meter long swimming pool. The space is beautifully designed with this feature wall on that side, yellow, vibrant, really lifting the energy, and it matches the wall mounts we have along that side. And I really love the tray ceilings and the pale yellow color they've got along the ridges just above the tray ceiling. really beautiful. The lighting in here is really nicely layered, which makes it look extra luxurious. On that side, we have a beautiful plant wall that brings lots of nature into the space, and we have these really nice sun lounges where you can sit and relax after taking a dip in the pool. And of course, on this side, the far end, we have a nice dining area where you can sit, relax, have a drink, have a snack after doing a lap of the pool. But that is it from this tour. I really hope you've enjoyed everything we've had to show you today. Details of the property are in the description box below. Thanks again to Fine & Country as well as the developers for allowing us to tour this property today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.